Accurex, a reliable partner in your progress. Accurex, one destination that the Indian electronics industry turns to when it comes to its procurement of equipments or components. A brand that stands for reliability. A brand that is synonymous with quality of service.
Appreciate you taking time to see our video. I would like to present you the company which has stood the test of time for nearly 3 decades. Our endeavor to give a good after-sales service support and the transparency with which we work has brought us all the way up to here.
Accurex Group today consists of Accurex Solutions Private Limited, Omniscient Electronics Private Limited, Anvin Electronics Private Limited, Anvin Technologies, Anvin Associates, K&M Educational Trust. With own infrastructure facilities in the 4 metropolitan cities, the group provides better customer services. Accurex Solutions deals with capital equipments needed for PCB assembly like pick-and-place systems, screen printers, reflow systems, wave soldering systems, selective soldering systems, X-ray equipments, cleaning systems, automatic optical inspection system, repair and rework systems. Anvin Electronics Private Limited provides turnkey test and network solutions. From suggesting the right kind of equipment and giving total solutions in automatic testing equipments, simulators, it provides solutions to automotive, defense, aerospace, EMS, industrial electronics and electrical sectors.
Anvin Electronics works on indigenization of ATEs. One of the best example is indigenization of tactical computer ATEs.
Omniscient Electronics have been providing services in semiconductors and solar-powered tie-grid inverters.
Omniscient is into semiconductor distribution for last 10 years. Today we are recognized more as solution provider rather than a semiconductor distribution company. We provide end-to-end solutions to various customers during his every step of designs.
Anvin Technologies has the expertise in selling and installing the ESD-sensitive workstations and STB epoxy flooring. Anvin Technologies has done projects in countries like Bangladesh, Kenya and some of the SAARC countries.
My team is working around the clock to provide a low-cost and efficient solution.
Anvin Associates serves as the support for Accurex and Anvin Technologies by storing the spare parts for the machines those 2 companies sell. This helps the group in retaining the customer base through quick and efficient after-service. K&M Trust, the social services wing of Accurex Group. The trust has been providing financial assistance to poor, deserving students and also providing infrastructure facilities to the most deserving and rural schools.
The smile on the faces of the recipients is heartening. This has given us new impetus to increase the extent of our support to the social causes we have chosen.
With these 6 companies and the trust, Accurex Group has now become one of the best in the industry. The employees of the company have now become a part of the Accurex family. Some of them have become the directors of the group's companies and the others are the members of the huge, happy family called Accurex.
I love my family.
Accurex is my family
and we love working here. One mantra which keeps us going is work together, win together.
Even the customers of the company have a lot to say about the satisfaction they have bought from Accurex Group, which no money can buy elsewhere.
Accurex provides really of a very high class and standard. We have never had to look anywhere else for most of our requirements.
We are extremely happy with Accurex services.
Accurex has been with us as a family friend and also a good service.
I am pleased to be associated with Accurex and Omniscient for nearing 30 years. They have come up with success after complying with all the statutory formalities and always legally compliant.
We at Accurex have only one thing to brag about: the smile we have brought to the faces of the people.
With your support and patronage, we assure you we will work very hard to see that we are the most reliable partner in your progress.